In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay salary to employees through QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to set up a payee as a vendor, record the payment by check or electronically, and review your totals so everything lines up in your books. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the left menu, open Expenses, then Vendors. Here, you'll add the person you're paying as a new vendor. Select New Vendor, then enter the contractor's name, email, and address so their profile is complete and future payments match correctly. Make sure to turn on Track Payments for Employee. This flag helps QuickBooks include these payments in the right contractor reporting and summaries later. Save your changes. A quick tip: always collect a completed W-9 from the contractor and store it securely so your records are accurate and ready for year-end. Next, let's pay the contractor. If you're cutting a paper check, choose the plus new button and select check. Pick the contractor from your vendor list, choose the bank account the funds will come from, and enter the payment amount. In the category details section, assign the correct expense account. Common choices are contract labor or professional fees, but use the account your business uses for this type of work. Categorizing correctly now keeps your profit and loss clean and speeds up reporting later. When everything looks good, select Save and Close. Pro tip: add a clear memo and double check the date so reconciliation is smooth. If you're paying by bank transfer or card, select the plus new button and choose expense. Pick the contractor, select the payment method, and enter the amount. Again, assign the right expense category to keep your books consistent. Save the transaction. It helps to attach a receipt or confirmation if you have one, so all backup documentation lives with the entry. Finally, review your totals. Go to Expenses, then Contractors. Use the Prepare option to walk through your contractor totals. Here, map your expense accounts so every payment is attributed correctly. Take a moment to confirm totals before filing anything. Verifying mapping now prevents rework and ensures your reports reflect the true cost of your contractor services. That's it. You logged in, set up the contractor as a vendor, recorded the payment by check or electronically, and reviewed your totals. Follow these steps each time you pay, keep categories consistent, and store supporting documents, and your QuickBooks records